Hello, friends. How are you? Hope you're doing well. So, welcome back to a fresh episode of Get Perfect. My name is Vismay, and in today's video, we are going to learn about how to use CountIF and CountIFS formula. So, it is as similar as the SumIf and SumIfS. If you have not seen the video, I'm leaving the link in the I button. Please go ahead and check that video. So, I'm using the same data that is for the types of shops, the area, city, and the business done. And in today's video we are going to calculate the count. Okay, in this we are going to calculate the count if with a single condition, and here in the count if s with two conditions in it. Okay, so now let's start the video. So in this, what I need to count is how many that clothing shops are there, general stores, medical stores. I want to count the number of clothing shops. So count if equal to count if. Now first what it is asking is the range. So the range is this. So I'm just selecting the entire column, comma. Now it is asking me to feed the criteria. So the criteria is clothing shop, close bracket, 20. So I copy this and the tours and travels. So great, I get the count of each and every how many general stores there are. 21 general stores. Medical stores, there are 7 medical stores. There are 14 mobile shops and plywood. Let's cross check this whether the clothing shops are 20. I'll just go on filter, select clothing, and I'll just see here. Yes, the count here is 20. Great. Now I'll check the mobile shop. The count is 14, right? So the mobile shop count is 14. Great. So this was a single count if where there was one single condition. So this is the way we need to use it. Now let's assume that I want to know the total number of clothing shop in central area. I want to know what are the total number of medical shop in east area. So how do you do that? Now in this thing we have two different criteria. Okay, there we have two different conditions. One is in area and one are types of shops. So how to do this? Using a count if formula. So the formula will be count if s, open brackets, first criteria range. So the first condition would be the entire column. Now it's in the filter, but I'm selecting the entire column, so it doesn't matter whether I've just selected mobile shop in this range. Okay, I'm selecting the entire column, so it will not make any difference. Comma, what is the criteria? Now here the first criteria is the type of shop. Now the second criteria, here it is asking me to enter the second criteria. It would be area. I'm selecting the entire column, comma, the area over here. I'm just putting two criteria here. There can be any multiple n number of criteria if you want. I'll close the bracket and press enter. 2 in central there are two clothing shops. I'll just copy that formula, go till the last and just say Control V to paste the formula. So let's cross check. In central it is saying two clothing shop, medical shops just one, plywood shop is 6. So let's cross check this. I'll go back to the data, I'll select all, I'll select the area for central. Now I'll select here clothing shop. Okay, so the clothing shop is 2. That's correct. So as per the CountIF formula, the clothing shops are 2. Plywood shops are 6. So let's see whether the plywood shops are 6. Yep, bingo. So the plywood shops are also 6. So in the same manner, so this is the way how you can use CountIF and CountIFS. So great. So if you like this video, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family. Please do comment your feedback, whether it's positive or negative. I don't mind. And if you're still not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified for the future videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do take care of yourself. Bye bye.